everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, and most fulfilled version of ourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be aware every time I post a video. Thank you so much. Today's video is another food vlog, and this time I am making a very healthy, it's the vegan almond chia seeds pancakes. It's so delicious. You are going to thank me later. So let's start this. It's so easy. I will post the recipe down below for easy reference. So here are the ingredients for this delicious pancakes. We have the almond flour, we have the baking powder, sea salt, vanilla extract, apple cider vinegar, almond milk, and we have the maple syrup and the chia seeds. First step is to mix all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. Then add the almond milk, vanilla, maple syrup, and the apple cider vinegar and stir it until just mix. Don't overmix it. Then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the chia seeds can work its magic. In a lightly oiled non-stick pan, I use coconut oil to oil the pan. Cook in approximately about a quarter cup scoops over medium heat. Flip when bubbles appear in the middle of each pancake and edges appear dry and cooked. Cook another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. This recipe will make approximately 10 pancakes, or enough to serve 3 or 4 people. I made many pancakes before, and I think this is the best one. It's so delicious. I can tell you guys, you have to try it. And you can top it with blueberries, strawberries, whatever you want. Vegan butter. I tried my cashew butter dressing that I made, and I'll put a link down below. It's so delicious. My mom can't believe that this is vegan and healthy, and she loves it. Nice and delicious. Enjoy, and let me know if you are going to try it, and please share this with your family and friends. They will love you for doing that. Really, this is so delicious. Take care, everyone, and please be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Bye-bye.